I'll do it for English. I can choose multiple different languages that I can start running. So this is live. So in live, you can join any event. Usually we have for core reporting scenarios or live events or live closed captioning where they are expected to produce a transcript in near real time or in real time. So this is our live product today. So if I look at what I've been saying so far, I've got French going and Spanish going. And this is really for, again, situations where you've got clients that need, they've got a Spanish recording or a Spanish live hearing that they're attending, and they need the translated version in the native language. We are also looking at scenarios where you can have multiple different speakers, all speaking different languages, but do not understand the other speakers, but they can choose to get a transcript that they see live of every other speaker. So if I'm speaking in English and you're speaking in French, but you do not understand English and I don't understand French, I can choose to see the entire event in my chosen language, even though every speaker has a different language. That's also coming down the pipe. But right now, you choose a single primary language, and it will give you target translations as well as an original transcript. The original doesn't always have to be English. If I stop this and I did a quick reset and I restarted it, I can choose any number of different languages as the source. But if it's a non-English source, your target always has to be English for now. We will introduce the ability in the next couple of months for you to be able to choose a non-English source and multiple non-English targets, but for now, that's not the case.